The Michigan Department of Transportation is partnering with CAVnue, a private company with Michigan roots, to build a first-of-its-kind smart roadway in southeast Michigan. Together, MDOT and Cavnue will install digital and physical improvements that will help enhance safety for all roadway users. This exciting initiative aims to revolutionize the way we think about road safety in Michigan. The I-94 Connected and Automated Vehicle Corridor, or CAV corridor, is a project to create a technology-enabled express lane on I-94, connecting communities from Ann Arbor to Detroit in both personal vehicles and transit. This project is designed to benefit Michiganders by improving safety by preventing crashes, reducing incident response times, and helping drivers avoid hazards like stalled vehicles and debris in the roadway, creating a better operating environment for more reliable and frequent transit service, reducing congestion and emissions, strengthening the operations and maintenance of I-94, investing in the Michigan economy, and unlocking the full benefits of CAVs, including improving the assisted driver features in most new cars today. In August 2023, construction began on a 3-mile pilot on I-94 between Rawsonville Road and Belleville Road to implement and test some of Cavnue's smart roadway technologies. The design and development of this pilot is a joint effort between MDOT, Cavnue, and industry partners. Cavnue is fully funding the pilot's design and implementation on this stretch of roadway. To create the pilot, Cavnue installed digital and physical infrastructure in the leftmost lane of westbound I-94 along the 3-mile stretch of roadway. The digital infrastructure includes the installation of poles, sensors, and communication devices. The physical infrastructure includes new lighting, upgraded pavement markings, an improved road surface, and guardrails. The pilot will evaluate this digital and physical infrastructure's ability to provide data and actionable insights to MDOT. This information can help MDOT better manage the roadway, respond to incidents, improve road safety, and reduce congestion. The pilot will help MDOT and Cavnue evaluate this technology for future deployments in Michigan. Once construction on the pilot is complete, all road users are welcome to use the express lane. The lane is not restricted to just CAVs. The express lane is separated from the general purpose lanes by flexible plastic delineators. Drivers can access the separated lane by simply staying in the left lane and following the pavement markings that will shift to the buffer-separated area. Once you've entered the express lane, please remain in the lane for the entire 3-mile stretch. While in the lane, you will not be able to exit at Belleville Road or access the Belleville rest area. During some off-peak hours, the lane may be closed so it can be tested with some of the world's most advanced vehicles, which are made right here in Michigan. Any testing with vehicle and industry partners that requires the lane to be closed will be done during off-peak hours. The testing will only involve dedicated test vehicles. During the off-peak times when the lane is closed for testing, it will look like a lane closure for a construction project. There will be temporary traffic control devices such as signs, drums, and an arrow board. At these times, drivers will be asked to merge or remain in the open 2 lanes and continue their journey. This pilot is the first step in creating the country's first CAV corridor and connecting communities from Detroit to Ann Arbor. MDOT and its partners are excited to support and benefit local communities across Southeast Michigan. Learn more about the pilot, the full corridor project, and provide feedback at michigan.gov/CAV project.